Question 9. Given 3 and h plus 1 are the roots of this equation. Find the possible values of h and k. Right. So we have x squared plus k minus 1x plus 9 is 0. So here our a, b and c will be a is 1, b is k minus 1, c will be 9. Then let's look at the roots. So they say roots of these equations, of this equation will be 3 and h plus 1. Okay. So let's find the sum of roots and the product of roots. So sum of roots will be 3 plus h plus 1, which is 4 plus h. Product of roots will be 3 times h plus 1, which is 3h plus 3. The sum of roots is also negative b over a. Product of root is also c over a. So negative b over a equals to 4 plus h. C over a is 3h plus 3. Okay, here we have two unknowns and here we only have one unknown, so we can solve this first. So we can say 3h plus 3 equals to 9. 3h is 9 minus 3, which is 6, so h is 2. 6 divided by 3 lah. Then we can take this value, sub it into here. So negative k plus 1 is 4 plus 2. So negative k is 6 minus 1. Therefore k is negative 5. Done. So we can conclude h is 2 and k is negative 5. This is our final answer. Done.